Good morning, students. As the previous video of the chapter, we have discussed the meaning of ledger, importance of ledger, and definition of ledger, etc. Today we will see and we have also studied about the posting in ledger. So if you have missed the last video, you are requested to go through the last video first, then play this video. Okay. Now as we have promised that we will move to the illustration part and practical part. So here is it. First of all, the question says pass general entries for the following transaction and post them into the ledger. As we all know that this is the format of general: date, particular, LF, then amount debit and amount credit. So we have to do the general entry first. First entry is Siaram commence business with cash. So entry will be cash account debit to capital, it will be here. Then paid cash to Vishal Trading Company in full settlement of their we have missed something. Purchase office furniture for cash. So entry will be furniture account debit to cash, furniture account debit to cash. Then purchase goods for cash, so purchase account debit to cash. Then purchase goods for credit for cash from name is mentioned. If it is from cash but it should be on credit because we have cutted it out, so entry will be purchase account debit to Vishal Trading Company and purchase account debit to Mohan Garment. Return good to Vishal Trading Company, the Vishal Trading Company debit to purchase return. Paid cash to Vishal Trading Company in full settlement after deducting 5% discount, so entry will be Vishal Trading Company debit to cash account to discount account. Sold goods for cash, so cash account debit to sales. Sold good to Hero Limited less 10% trade discount, so entry will be Hero Limited debit to sales after deducting 10% trade discount. Then Siaram withdrew from business for his personal use, so cash drawing account debit to cash account to purchase account. So this is the general entry. After doing the general entry, let me show you here. Like the general entry which I have said. So after completing all the general entries, if one page will be filled, we will do the total and we will write balance CF, means carried forward. Then we will move to this side. When all the entries will be done, we will make ledger account. And the format of ledger is date, particular, JF, amount, then again date, particular, JF, amount. JF means general folio. Now see all the entries of cash. Like in first entry is cash account debit to capital. So first of all we will see where the cash is in the general entry, debit side or credit side. So the entry is cash account debit to capital, so it means cash is on the debit side. It means entry will be in the debit side. Okay, and what we will write? We will write to capital account and the amount here. Then furniture account debit to cash is on the credit side, so entry will be on the credit side, like this. At last we will do the balance, but we will see the balancing later in upcoming chapter. So there was only one entry for capital, cash account debit to capital. So in capital account we will only mention one entry by cash account and nothing in the debit side. Same goes with each and every account, and by this method our ledger will be completed. Here you can see By this method, our ledger will be completed. So this is it for this chapter. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss some other chapter, and till then, if you find any doubt and any query, you can ask. We will be there. Our school will be there to help you out in all your needs. You are requested to keep learning, keep studying, and keep focusing on your subject. Okay? Do all the practical questions. Do all the practical questions and ask your doubts on your Hello Parent app. Okay? This chapter is very important because after this chapter we have to prepare trial balance, and that trial balance will help you to prepare the final account. Okay? So in this ledger we also record the all the transactions in chronological order. Okay, in chronological order. So it is similar, like it is same as general, but in general there is no separate account for separate page for each account, but in ledger it is there. So practice this chapter, and if you find any doubt or any query, you can ask. Till then, bye bye students.